Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg sandwich. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 fresh eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and seasonings like salt and pepper. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 slice of cheese, and any optional additions like fresh spinach. Make sure your non-stick pan and spatula are ready for action. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's cook the egg. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk them until well combined. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat until it melts and shimmers. Pour the whisked egg mixture into the hot pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg is just set and slightly golden on the bottom. With your egg cooked, it's time to assemble your delicious sandwich. Toast 2 slices of bread to your preferred crispness. Golden brown is usually perfect. While the bread is toasting, spread a thin, even layer of mayonnaise or your favorite sauce on 1 slice. Carefully place the warm, cooked egg onto the sauced bread, followed by your slice of cheese and any fresh vegetables like spinach. Finally, complete your masterpiece. Place the second slice of toasted bread on top, gently press down, and then cut your sandwich in half for easier handling. Serve your warm, homemade egg sandwich immediately to enjoy its fresh flavors and perfect texture. It's a quick and satisfying meal anytime. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.